Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about qualitative and quantitative observations. So what do we already know? We know that observation is using our senses and tools to record data about an object or event. Let's do a little observation practice with these puppies. If you want, you can pause the video to think of your observation. Something I observe is that each puppy has two eyes. So now that we're warmed up, let's begin to talk about qualitative observations. The word qualitative comes from the word quality, which means a trait of something. A qualitative observation is when we use our senses to observe. So let's go back to these puppies and try some qualitative observations. We're going to pretend to use our sense of hearing and touch, as well as our sight. I can see the puppies are small. I can hear the puppies barking. I can feel their soft fur. Now, for quantitative observations. The word quantitative comes from the word quantity, which means a measurement of items. A quantitative observation is when we use measurements to observe. Now back to our puppies. Let's make some quantitative observations. There are 5 puppies. Each puppy has 2 eyes. If we were actually with these puppies, we could measure their height and weight. Those would also be quantitative observations. So now that we've learned about qualitative and quantitative observations, let's review. See if you can fill in the blanks. What is a qualitative observation? It's an observation made by using our senses. What is a quantitative observation? It's an observation made with measurements. Now to end this video, let's practice. If you want, you can take out a piece of paper. We're going to imagine that we're on this beach. You can hear the ocean, touch the sand, smell the salt water. I want you to make 3 qualitative observations and 3 quantitative observations. You can pause the video until you're finished. And with that, we're done. Qualitative and quantitative observations are very important to our science toolbox, and you can practice these skills at home. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, let me know.